Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the truth about the reconditioned headlights with the W40. In many videos I have seen this method and I decided to apply it to the headlights of a Volkswagen. After cleaning the dirty headlight, we will apply the WD-40 solution, and see what miracles this tube does. But let's say that after that we have to go to the car wash. Let's see if our headlight keeps its brilliance. After washing and cleaning the headlight, we notice that the headlight becomes matte like at the beginning. Don't forget, like and subscribe. So do not apply this treatment to the headlights because they will not shine for a long time. In the next video I will show you how to repair the headlights with the Restoration Quick System Kit. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.